Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create a TikTok account step by step. Go to your device's App Store, either Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Download TikTok and open the app once installed. When you first open the app, TikTok will guide you through a user guide and ask about your interest categories. Pick the topics you like or skip this step. After the intro, a login form will appear. Simply tap on Sign Up at the bottom of the screen to start creating your account. TikTok gives you several options to create an account. Use your phone number or email address. Sign up with an existing account like Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. Select the method you prefer. For this guide, I'll use an email address. Type it in and tap Next. Solve the CAPTCHA puzzle to verify you're not a bot. Follow the on-screen instructions and once completed, proceed to the next step. Choose a strong password for your account and confirm it. TikTok will ask for your birth date to confirm your age. Enter your details and tap Next. TikTok will ask you to enter your nickname. Type in the name you want to use and proceed. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Add a profile picture and bio to complete your setup. That's it. Your TikTok account is ready to use. Enjoy exploring and creating content.